So we're at the Indianapolis Home Show 2018. Next to Ken at Closet Connection here. Got our booth mostly set up. Let's see what we got set up here. This enter to win here, it's going to come out this direction, so it'll be kind of like closed off, like a gate. I did notice that we've got some damage here on the sign. I don't have a clue how that happened. And also underneath this glass, you can see all the dirt on the TV, and I can't clean it, as you can see. So I don't know. That's going to have to be something we're going to think about.
Here for the Realtor Party and Exposition Hall. Please do not go to the other halls of the show. Go directly to Exposition Hall when the center.
The sides of the display booth were so cold I could barely get this up. So I'm going to wait to put the outer edges. I've got one sitting over here, kind of waiting for that to get flattened down and warm up a little bit. And so we're going to come in tomorrow around 10, get things up and running. We don't have the people counter set up. We're not sure how we're going to set that up just yet. So we'll kind of wait until the last minute to do that. So that is what we've got.